In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the SSL handshake error in Cloudflare. SSL handshake errors can be a common source of frustration, but with a few simple steps, you can easily resolve them and ensure your website is secure and running smoothly. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to access the Cloudflare dashboard. Head over to your account home. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your domains. It's important to make sure you're logged into the correct account, so take a moment to verify this before proceeding. Next, you'll want to click on the specific domain that you're having issues with. This step is crucial because SSL settings are configured on a per domain basis. If you have multiple domains, be sure to select the right one to avoid any unnecessary confusion. Once you've selected your domain, look for the SSL TLS option in the settings menu. This is where you'll be able to manage the security and encryption features for your chosen domain. Click on the SSL TLS section to continue. Now, within the SSL TLS section, you'll find various configurations related to security certificates and encryption protocols. You'll want to locate the Configure button and click on it. This will take you to a more detailed configuration page where we can make the necessary adjustments to fix the SSL handshake error. On this configuration page, you'll see an option for Custom SSL/TLS. This is where we focus our attention. Click on Select to reveal different SSL options available for your domain. Configuring these settings correctly is key to resolving handshake errors effectively. Now, from the list of options, look for Flexible. The Flexible SSL option allows secure connections between your website visitors and Cloudflare. It does not, however, require your origin server to have an SSL certificate, which is a common setup that can help if there are issues with certificates on the origin server. Click on Flexible to select it. Finally, to save all the changes you've made, you'll need to click on the Save button. This ensures that all the new configurations are applied to your domain. Saving these settings is vital to activate the changes, so be sure to confirm that everything appears as expected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully resolved the SSL handshake error in Cloudflare. Troubleshooting issues like these can sometimes be a bit daunting, but by taking it one step at a time, you're well equipped to tackle any SSL challenges that come your way. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Remember, maintaining your website's security is always a top priority. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.